Activate Learning's Kit Companion is a convenient tool designed to provide teachers with information about their classroom materials when they need it most. Getting to the Kit Companion is simple. Just scan the QR code on a box label using the camera app on your smartphone. You'll be taken straight to the Kit Companion interface for your materials. You can click on any box or link to view all the materials included in each box of your kit. Teachers can then drill down into lesson bags to see lesson-specific materials complete with pictures and quantities. Looking for materials charts or setup videos? Simply tap on the mobile menu and choose Documents and Videos. Here you'll find a list of downloadable documents and links to helpful videos that make setting up and performing experiments as stress-free as possible. If you'd like to try it out right now, you can use this sample QR code with your smartphone. Kit Companion is your helpful companion in the classroom.